flight. It's evolving. How? Let's start with entirely new wings. Wings that go beyond conventional thinking and span, using composites to achieve unconstrained length, curves, and the highest efficiency. Wings with a simple fold that ensures they always fit everywhere they go. Next, there's an engine. Not just any engine, an engine of hyper-efficient carbon composite fan blades, of all new highly advanced materials. What does that do? It delivers the world's most fuel-efficient commercial jet engine ever.
What makes an aircraft truly revolutionary? Is it its cutting-edge technology, unparalleled performance, or the promise of reshaping the skies? These were the questions that came to mind when the Boeing 777X was first unveiled. Back then, it was heralded as the future of long-haul aviation, boasting innovative features like folding wingtips and the world's most powerful commercial jet engines, the GE9X. But as we close out 2024, the Boeing 777X is no longer just a symbol of promise. It has become a case study in turbulence, both literal and metaphorical. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Thank you. Welcome back to Flight Realities. I am Joseph Kabulu, and today we're diving deep into a saga of the Boeing 777X. But before we embark on this journey, let me take a moment to thank you for your incredible support throughout 2024. This year has been a whirlwind of stories, insights, and the occasional controversy. So as we look ahead to 2025, I promise to bring you new exciting content that will keep you glued to the skies and your screens. So as we also look forward to even make it up to our 4,000 watch hours to start getting something that will, support this channel. Also pay your indulgence, share this video, and of course to help us reach our goal. So thank you, and let's get back to the video. Last week, we discussed Boeing's struggles versus Airbus' rise. Airbus continues to deliver on its promises, capitalizing on Boeing's delays and missteps. But today, we zoom in one of Boeing's most ambitious projects, the 777X. What was once seen as the heir to the throne of wide-body aircraft now faces a storm of challenges.
When Boeing unveiled the 777X, it promised an aircraft that would redefine long-haul travel, an engineering marvel with unmatched range, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort.
Let's uncover the story. The 777X was initially designed to counter Airbus A350-1000, a sleek, efficient aircraft that has been winning hearts and contracts worldwide. Boeing bet on retaining the 777's robust aluminum fuselage while upgrading it with cutting-edge technology, including its signature folding wingtips. These wingtips are a marvel of engineering, allowing the aircraft to achieve better fuel efficiency in flight without requiring wider airport gates. Add to that the GE9X engines, which are quieter, more powerful, and potentially more efficient than anything else in the skies. So on paper, it seemed like the 777X would dominate. However, reality paints a different picture. The aircraft's development has been plagued by delays, pushing its entry into service to at least 2026. This has strained relationships with key customers like Emirates and Cathay Pacific. Sir Tim Clark of Emirates has voiced frustration, citing the delays as disruptive to fleet renewal plans. Cathay Pacific, meanwhile, recently revealed concerns about the 777X's ability to meet performance expectations, sparking industry-wide speculation about its viability. These delays aren't just logistical hiccups. They are eroding customer trust and pushing airlines to explore alternatives.
The 777X was eagerly anticipated as a natural successor. Cathay had big plans for the 777X, envisioning it as the flagship of its fleet, complete with luxurious first-class suites to cater to an elevated passenger experience. The delivery dates were set for 2025, aligning perfectly with Cathay's vision of fleet renewal. This would enhance their overall expansion strategy. It includes orders for 6 Airbus A350 freighters scheduled to arrive after 2026.
The original Boeing 777 flew for the first time about 4 years after its launch and started flying passengers only 1 year after that. But its replacement, the 777X, was planned to enter service 7 years after its launch, but it now looks like it will take over 12 years to...
So to add fuel to the fire, Boeing's financial woes and labor disputes have compounded the situation. The company's struggle to meet production timelines have left airlines like Lufthansa and Emirates relying on older aircraft or shifting their focus to competitors like Airbus. Cathay Pacific's CEO recently hinted at operational and design shortcomings in the 777X, amplifying doubts about its readiness to compete with the A350-1000. But let's not forget the human element. Boeing engineers and technicians are working tirelessly to bring this aircraft to life. The delays and setbacks aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They are a reflection of a company battling to regain its footing after years of turbulence, including the 737 MAX crisis and the pandemic's fallout. So what does this mean for Boeing and for us as aviation enthusiasts? The 777X might still emerge as a game changer, but its journey reminds us that innovation isn't just about technology. It's about timing, trust, and tenacity. And as we approach 2025, the skies will be watching. So will Boeing rise above its challenges, or will the 777X become a cautionary tale? Only time will tell.
Features Boeing aircraft, making Cathay one of Boeing's major international customers. The 777, in particular, had been a cornerstone of Cathay's fleet, known for its reliability and efficiency, which is why the 777X was eagerly anticipated as a natural successor. Cathay had big plans for the 777X, envisioning it as the flagship of its fleet, complete with luxurious first-class suites to cater to an elevated passenger experience. The delivery dates were set for 2025, aligning perfectly with Cathay's vision of fleet renewal. This would enhance their overall expansion strategy. It includes orders for 6 Airbus A350 freighters scheduled to arrive after 2026, along with the recent acquisition of 30 Airbus A350-1000 aircraft, which also come with options for additional purchases. These purchases showcased Cathay's confidence in its growth strategy, which aimed to maintain a competitive edge in the long-haul market. However, as the anticipation for the 777X reached its peak, delivery dates began to slip.
So if you've enjoyed this discussion, Make sure to explore last week's video on Boeing and Airbus, link in the description below. And remember, here at Flight Realities, we're not just about flying, we're about understanding what keeps us grounded and what lifts us up. So thank you for your viewership, and here's to a new year of stories that soar beyond expectation. So until next week, it's goodbye.